What's up, guys? I'm back with What's up, guys? I'm back with another riveting episode of Retail Tycoon. I'm really excited to keep doing this series. So let's just fucking get on with it already. Yeah. I'm off 10 Percocets and 3 grams of Eagle Dick residue. I don't know what to do. By the way, I left it open a little bit off camera. Sorry. Just like I said, I got a head start now, and I can restock my shelves. And wait, hold on. Actually, how much is a 4th parking spot? Ooh, I could get a parking spot. Wait, where's the music? There we go. The vibes are back. Alright, there we go. I got another parking spot. Oh, people are loving my fucking store. I couldn't afford everything I wanted, you fucking broke bitch. Alright, so now I just buy like hundreds of it. Alright, 100 snacks. And then we'll do 170 canned food. Because those guys are gonna make me some money. And I hop in my... Are you kidding me, bro? Alright, then I hop in my pickup truck. Boom. See? Finessed. Okay, bro. Fuck off. Bro, I'm pissed. I was really right on my way to fucking getting my beans and snacks, and now I'm not even fucking close. I'm actually farther away than I was when I spawned the car and started moving. Are you fucking kidding me? Yeah, I've had enough to hear with this shit, man. Please. Are you fucking kidding me? Spawn, goddammit. Are you kidding me? Dude. Yeah, this is just downright humiliating. Okay, please. Thank fucking God. Off I go. I'll have to go load my truck, like I'm, trying to do before. I just wouldn't let me, I guess. Wait, what the hell? That guy's got a 5-star store? There's no way. Wait. That's not it. Wait, oh, it's that son of a bitch on the mountain, isn't it? Wait, no, maybe. I'll check these. Let's see. No, wait, that was not 5 stars. That was certainly not 5 stars. Oh, okay. No, it's the guy on the mountain. It's definitely him, because he'd be cocky and take the mountain. A small, humble guy like me should get the mountain, so I have to make a beautiful drive up the hill every time. Up I go? Okay. AFK/sleep? Are you fucking serious? This guy maxed out the game. And still didn't, This guy maxed out the game and he's still AFKing. It's like, dude, do something else, man. Like, oh. I get having retail Tycoon open while I sleep is a good thing, so I don't lose my fucking chance to make progress or whatever. But, you have made all of the progress that there is to make in your game. So, man, do something else, or do a new save or something. Alright. Game plan. Snacks. Chips. Canned chips. Alright, canned food. I only got 50. Alright. I'll put soup here. And then we use the remaining money to buy more canned food. So I'm carrying back like the maximum I possibly can. And then by the time I get back, now that I have stuff, I can buy it again. You know, easy, simple. Dude, why is my rating a 2.9, bro? I would never go somewhere with a 2.9 rating. What am I doing wrong? I'm just a bean and chip store. Humbly trying to mind my own fucking business. Like, what's your situation, bro? What's your issue? Oh, there's a way to view it, right? I'm sure. There's gotta be. Off I go unloading again. Alright. Now I just buy even more canned food. What could I do to make money faster? Ooh, wait. I think I can. Oh fuck, it's 1,000. Now I gotta raise $1,000. Sit around and posy around and wait for that to happen with my slow ass cashier. Here, you know what? Here. I'll do it, Carl. Go on break. Yeah, Carl, I'll take over. This isn't even faster. Actually, you know what? Give me like $100 more, and then, oh, cool. Or just don't, or take $100 from me. Come on. Alright, thanks, you're done. Please, man. Please, man. $4.97. Please, man. Just scan one more item. I need one more item scanned. Please, just do something, man. Okay. Okay. Fuck you. Alright, Carl. Get back to it, boy. Carl! Go to the register, bro. Oh, fucking finally, okay. You know, we don't need baskets if I can make money faster. And then just get them back eventually, you know? Oh, fuck. I need another 68 to hire that cashier. Look, guys, open register. Oh, fuck, another crook. Yep. Yeah, fuck off, man. Don't try that shit around me. Oh, another one. Yeah, don't even fucking try it, bro. Hello, so you want to use my register? Okay, no one wants to use my fucking register. What am I even doing? What am I doing? Come on, Ryan Johnson, you take over. I got beans to pick up. What the hell? Another 4.9 star store joined? What the fuck? It's like actually like crazy as fuck that happened. Where are you, bro? Oh, that's probably it. How do you get in? Oh. Hey bro, you got robbers. Yep, that guy's stealing all your shit. Oops. Doesn't it suck to be you? Alright, I'm out this bitch. It's been real. See ya, bro. Is this dude AFKing too? Are you serious? Why would you AFK if you beat the game? Alright. Boom. Still not very many beans. I want a basket. I want a basket. How about I want you dead? I'm kind of seeing the vision for the store now. The store I want to build. You know, like this will be the start still, and this isn't moving. This is the humble gas station. You know, we'll upgrade it, but you know, this is the Origins building, and then it'll be like a sprawling shopping mall. You know, yeah. And we're gonna have a massive parking lot, so everyone can get in and give me money. Man, nothing is happening. This game is boring as hell. Nothing's happening. Hey, you know what? Maybe I'll make another episode of Retail Tycoon when something happens. I had a new revolutionary idea that's going to cut costs and make us be unique and stand out in the market of stores out there. So, you know. This may look weird at first. Alright. And now I can give this one a nice roof. There, a complete building. And if I'm being honest, the only real building we're gonna need. Because, you know, we're about to become a nature walk. Alright, now I move the shelves. So, you know, these ones, you know, obviously need to kind of... Fuck, man. You know, these have gotta, you know, move. Fuck. Wait, no. Wait, no, it could just be like this. I can't believe you removed my register. Oh no, man. Sorry, I moved it somewhere else, asshole. Get off my dick. Alright. So now all I really gotta do is, like, you know, just make sure everything's dirted up. And now I have $10,000 to fuck around with. You know, so... And, if I check it... Wait, no, I think I might have to... Here. Boom. Decoration is up. So, what the fuck are these things? Hold on. Wait, I kinda need lights. Fuck. Are there any non-ceiling lights? Oh, okay, that's good. Right, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. And fuck you. That one roof tile is there for some reason. Alright, light pole. Wait. Actually, you know what? These two might actually be fine. Fuck, okay. Whatever, it's fine for now. And then we'll have the big store ball to celebrate. Boom. Now I'm rich as hell. Got this huge ass nature store I can expand on. Oh yeah, I'm the best, I'm the smartest, I'm a genius. What do you mean nowhere to park, bro? Okay, there you go. Yeah, now unload. Okay, you know what? I kinda need my car. I kinda need like a new car. I can't drive this? I seriously can't drive this? Okay, okay, no. You don't know what truck aside. I need to run an errand. I know what I need to use most of this money on, which is... Are you fucking... No, don't do this again. I'm pretty confident what the best way to spend most of this money is. It's gonna be like a good decision. Oh. Alan's Auto. Hey, man. Alright. We got the van. You know, if I'm ever in a bind, I could do that. I'm locked in with the currency now, so, yeah. Alright. Here I am. I'm back. And you get the van. And then if I ever need to run to do things, something, I need to have my truck. Simple. Simple to see. Oh, and that guy couldn't buy everything he wanted. That sucks to be you, bro. Kids are dying out there. But I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of flaunting with this a bit. Like, the literal whole fucking point of it was just to expand my shit, and I didn't do that. Oh wait, dirt is $0? Oh, that's easy then. The fuck? Oh, let me just, like, fucking... Shard out my pads now then, shit. Yeah, fuck that rubber. Alright, here. Boom, you know, maybe he'll get that in the next load. You actually know what, fuck this, I'm rebranding. Ligaments, Nature, Valley. Boom. Yep, it's in the truck. They're bringing it back. Then cereal, soda, and then peanut butter and jelly. Shit, I'm expanding on it. Wait. Oh, you can do instant delivery? Here, bro, give me some fucking condiments, bitch. Give me some of that peanut butter. GIF. They named peanut butter after an animated image. And then, you know, we put some jelly on the shelves. Where is that guy who has all of the things I ordered? I bought that car for you. Don't let me down, bro. I'm out of everything, man. Oh, fucking finally, dude. Holy shit. I was worried he would never come. Alright. That's good, that's good. I could get a little more, you know. Okay, now I can restock multiple canned food, and then... Fuck. Kinda just wait for that to make some money. I guess. Who bought all the jelly, dude? Some asshole bought all of my jelly? Yeah, okay, this is good. I can, like, hold myself over until the big order, and then I can restock later. Dude, I'm just all snacks right now. I think I'll try to get the store layout down a little better. Actually, nope. Infinite money glitch. My bad. This is only gonna work for so long. Yeah, fuck you, robber. Alright, here. Strat. Buy. And then... Oh, you got it for me, I guess. Yeah, you know what? You know what? You're paused. You're not really helping Nature Valley a whole lot right now. Boom. There. Now you can come back. Yep, now we have everything. Now you can come in. Hello, everybody. Infrastructure. Wait, wait. Oh. How much? 2,000. A small shelf for impulse buying. I love that. It's so funny. Hey, give me some condiments. Alright. I'm glad we could rework this into Nature Valley. Thanks for watching.